Hello and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 21st of June 2023. Last week we went short wheat as we expected the long-term downtrend to continue, but that trade got stopped out straight away when we rallied above the May high at $6.71. And as you can see here, what basically happened is that the price of wheat, alongside a lot of other commodities such as soybeans, for example, and corn, rallied very strongly ahead of the Juneteenth holiday in the US as traders basically repositioned themselves and were worried about a draw in the Midwest of the US happening. So this trade didn't work out well at all. We got stopped out straight away. But for this week, I would like us to once again go short wheat, simply because if you look at the chart here, you can see that the December and January lows more or less come in where this year's March and April highs were made, between $7.16 and $7.30. So all of them basically creating this very important resistance area. And I'd be very surprised if we were to just go through that resistance area and advance further still. So with regards to this week, what I would like to do is actually sell Chicago wheat, and therefore this week's Trading the Trend is to go short Chicago wheat at $7.19 with a stop loss at $7.31 and a downside target at $6.60.